Today's video is all about fixing an issue in PagerDuty. The error while creating user test. Access denied, 2010. This error pops up because the API token we're using doesn't have the right permissions on the PagerDuty side. Don't worry, I'm going to walk you through how to fix this step by step. First, in the Okta admin dashboard, head over to the PagerDuty application. Click on Provisioning, then select Integration. Here, click Edit. Next, you'll see a field for the API token. Here, you need to enter a new API key. Make sure this key has full access level. You can create this in the PagerDuty Administrator portal. Now, in the Admin Username field, type in a username that has either admin or owner permissions. Next, click on Test API Credentials. This is to check if the connection works. If it's successful, great. Just hit Save. Let's try user provisioning again. Go to Dashboard and then Tasks. Search for the user in question. Found a failed task? Simply click on Retry Selected next to the user you're trying to add. Almost there. To make sure the user is added to PagerDuty, go to Applications, then PagerDuty, and finally, Assignments. Search for the user and click the pencil icon. In the App User Profile window, check if the external ID is linked to the user. Last step. Go to your PagerDuty application and confirm that the user has been successfully created. And that's it. You've just fixed the provisioning error in PagerDuty. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to us on YouTube.